Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the world of heavy machinery and witness these giants at work in a way that you've never seen before. The Stair stone cutting wheel is designed to deliver outstanding performance in concrete and asphalt cutting tasks. Equipped with advanced cutting technology, precise engineering, and durable materials, it ensures efficient and precise results. This cutting wheel can cut through concrete and asphalt surfaces at superior speeds and accuracy, reducing downtime and labor costs on construction sites. The TG-K-Tex 1263 AD, a massive soil removal machine, is equipped with heavy-duty, versatile drop hammers, producing a staggering force of up to 44,000 pounds, 20,000 kilograms, per hammer. This means it can handle even the most challenging earth-moving tasks with ease. Its raw power is unparalleled, allowing it to penetrate concrete surfaces up to 15 inches, 38 centimeters thick in a single pass. The Landpack Impact Compactor is a heavy construction machine capable of compacting soil, building roads, and developing superior infrastructure. It uses a rotating drum, which can weigh from 10 to 20 tons, to exert a powerful downward force on the ground. High-frequency vibrations, often ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 vibrations per minute, combined with the foot or pad impacting on the drum, effectively penetrate and compress the soil. This results in rapid and efficient soil compaction, making it suitable for various applications. The 1050K dozer is equipped with a powerful 13.5-liter PowerTech PSS Tier 4 final diesel engine, delivering exceptional 350 horsepower. This powerful engine ensures that the dozer can handle even the most rugged terrains and heavy loads with ease. The John Deere 1050K features a wide 13.5-foot blade, crucial for efficient earth moving and material classification. The substantial blade size significantly enhances its ability to move large quantities of material in a single pass. The versatile grading machine is a specialized tool that redefines precision and efficiency standards in grading and alignment tasks across various applications. It is equipped with advanced sensors and high-precision technology that can detect slopes and ensure perfect horizontal and vertical alignment with astonishing accuracy. The MFT 240 Fire Protection Combination is an advanced fire suppression system that sets new standards for safety and firefighting. This advanced system is designed to combat various fire hazards, making it a flexible and crucial addition to any industrial or commercial environment. The Caterpillar Cat 385 CLME is a heavyweight in the world of demolition equipment, designed to tackle the most challenging and demanding tasks in the construction and demolition industry. Equipped with a C13 engine producing 523 horsepower, this machine can easily handle various demolition tasks. Its robust hydraulic system ensures efficient energy supply to different attachments such as shears, crushers, and hammers, allowing the machine to effectively break concrete, steel, and other materials. The Badger Breaker at Curzon Street is an advanced heavy-duty machine designed for precise and efficient concrete pavement demolition and rehabilitation. With heavy-duty, versatile drop hammers capable of exerting up to 44,000 pounds, 20,000 kilograms of force each, it can penetrate concrete surfaces up to 15 inches, 38 centimeters, thick in a single pass. This impressive capability allows it to cover an area of approximately 300 to 500 square feet, 28 to 46 square meters per hour, depending on factors such as concrete intensity and thickness. The Liebherr TA230 is a notable example of an articulated dump truck designed to serve the most demanding mining and construction applications. The Liebherr TA230 is equipped with a robust 6-cylinder diesel engine with a power output of up to 367 horsepower, allowing the truck to reach speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, 55 kilometers per h, on the road. This high-speed capability means the truck can quickly transport materials in large construction sites or mining operations, improving overall productivity. The Toro Groundsmaster registered trademark 4000D and 4100D rotary mowers are true giants in the world of commercial turf care equipment. These mowers are equipped with high-performance diesel engines that generate significant torque, ensuring they can handle even the most demanding mowing tasks with ease. With cutting widths ranging from 11.5 feet, 4000D, to an astounding 13 feet, 4100D, these mowers can cover large areas in a single pass, enhancing efficiency while ensuring precise and quick mowing. The HS 8130 HD crawler crane is a formidable heavy-duty machine, weighing approximately 130 tons, 143 tons. This substantial weight significantly enhances its overall stability, ensuring safe and controlled lifting operations even in challenging conditions. The HS 8130 boasts a substantial working radius of up to 76 meters, 249 feet. This extensive reach allows the crane to cover a large area without the need for frequent repositioning, improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. The PD 1500 chainsaw for slate cutting, despite its exceptional performance, is surprisingly compact. With dimensions of 1.2 meters in length, 0.6 meters in width, and 0.8 meters in height, it is designed for easy transport and maneuverability in tight spaces. This compact size ensures that the saw can be used in various environments, from large industrial workspaces to smaller workshops, maximizing its versatility. Additionally, the PD 1500 can easily cut through slate at an impressive rate of 30 square meters per hour, making it an exceptionally efficient tool for stone processing. This cutting speed significantly reduces labor time and costs, allowing for faster project completion and higher productivity. The PackMat Mobile Compaction Roller is a game-changing solution in waste management, enabling it to efficiently compact large volumes of waste. It can compact up to 2,000 pounds, approximately 907 kilograms of material per hour, making it an exceptionally efficient waste management solution with the potential to revolutionize waste processing. The LV800 self-propelled paver stands out as an advanced solution for efficient pavement production. The LV800 boasts a powerful engine that generates significant horsepower and torque, enabling it to process various organic materials into a pavement with exceptional speed and efficiency. Its precise cutting and shredding mechanism can handle various raw materials, from tree branches and wood chips to garden waste and agricultural residue, ensuring its effectiveness in meeting diverse coverage needs. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through 100 of the world's most amazing heavy machinery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this.